New wheel hubs, let's fucking go. Finally. Oh, yes. The car is dirty. Because as you can see, I got fucking doored at the supermarket. And no, they didn't leave a note. So now, I've got to try to fucking fix it on my own. So as you can imagine, because now the car looks like shit, I can't be fucking cleaning it. So it's been about 3 months since it's been cleaned. And what's even funnier is because right next to me, behind this wall on my right, is a fucking wash bay. So I could easily wash it. But no, which means you'll see the fucking dent even easier. Oh, let's get these wheel bearings out. Oh. Alright. So we'll take, we're going to undo the 2 bolts behind this caliper. We're going to peel the caliper off, leave it connected. I'm just going to sit it on a box underneath. We'll take the rotor off, give the rotor a quick clean with some brake cleaner, and then we'll suss the hubs. Already saw the hubs about a week ago, because that's how we identified that there was the hubs making the knocking sound. So we'll get the old hub off, show you guys how it shouldn't sound, how it shouldn't look, put the new one in, video the whole process, and then that'll be it. Hopefully this is another handy video for any Mark X owners who may or may not need to do their wheel hubs / wheel bearings in the future. All right, let's get to it. Repping the Evo. OGs of the channel will remember the Evo 9. Rest in pieces. No, car was fine. Oh, driving an Evo is absolutely unbelievable. Owning an Evo is fucking terrible. So if you're looking at getting an Evo, remember that. Okay. So there's 2 17mm bolts behind the caliper. So we're just gonna, obviously we cracked them with the brake bar. Now we're just gonna undo them. So this is obviously still gonna be connected to the actual brake line. So be very careful when taking the caliper off. Make sure you have something to sit up on afterwards, because it doesn't have enough slack to hang on its own. Like hit the floor and sort of sit. So if you do like drop the caliper or let it hang, it'll split the brake line, and then you're gonna need new brake lines, and you have to redo your brake fluid, and that is not a exciting job. Okay, so rear caliper bolt number 1. Cool, it's nice and loose. And the front pads have heaps of meat on, which is good. Oh man, cracking these wheel bearing nuts is going to be fun. Might need some WD-40 for these. Just gotta, I'll put a wheel nut on the caliper. I don't want the caliper falling off, because that'll hurt. Oh. You get that speed sensor out as well.
Another YouTube video?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got heaps of ideas for stuff that we're going to start doing.
Tell the 200 boys and girls that are subscribed.
It's still good. It's mega.
Oh, it's good. It's like, I don't really care about the subscribers. I mean, I don't really care about. I just like making videos so people can fucking use them and find them helpful and shit. Because nothing exists in this fucking car.
They're going to be the videos in 15 years when someone buys this for like...
These will be historic cars.
Yeah.
Like, you can hear... Oh, that sound.
There you go. It's probably just...
That's the sound I can hear when I drive, that little...
It's the bearing inside has dried up and failed. Yeah.
Just out of curiosity. Temporary fix, this could have saved me a few $100. Nah, didn't do anything.
You'd need to repack it with grease, but even then that's the...
Yeah, that sound. That like little... Yeah, that's what's making the sound when I drive. And then the thud. I don't really know what the...
Well, the thud will be when it's loaded up.
Yeah,
which will be hard to replicate.
How dirty this thing is, right? Alright, let's... They should be the same. Yeah, they are. I'm gonna undo the speed sensor.
Is the speed sensor plug the same?
Oh, yeah. I hope so. Oh, dude, what is this called?
Do you want me to have a gander?
Yeah, have a go, man. Just have like, you'll see what I mean. It's like, it's in just such a awkward position. Because it looks like the screwdriver's going to go through the back of it where the wire actually goes through.
Yep.
You got it?
Yeah.
Did you just jam into the back of it or?
Yeah, it's got like a little, yeah, you put it in that.
Yeah, okay. I was on the right track, I just wasn't. I'll loosen it up for you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dude, where's my car?
So full lock, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that'll do.
Cool.
Working on cars attire, except just finished in the office.
Yeah. I bought this shirt just for this, I knew I was going to get covered in fucking dirt again.
These jeans and these dumps just to
just to
change the wheel bearing. Yeah. This is the part where you time lapse, me undoing these.
Yeah, yeah,
so that means I can't walk away. I got to do these four. Might have to just get it dead straight. Yep, yep. Probably need a little hammer.
I've got a mallet.
Yep, mallet, yep. If you look at this, there's nothing like in between.
Yeah.
I'd use like a proper hammer if you had one because it needs to shock it properly. Best to go behind that shield. Yeah.
I can sort of see a little. Alright, the old girl's off. Feels awful. Alright, right hand side done. Well, not done, but off. Yuck. Fucking beautiful. Listen to that. Exactly, you can't hear it. I'll just test it.
Sweet. Does it have an orientation?
Yeah, like see how there's too narrow, too wide? Like that. Oh, doesn't that? Can't hear anything. How good's that apart from that? That is not a good sound you want from your wheel bearing. Orientation. Alright, I'm gonna go one of these, just get started.
Sweet. Very good.
Very good. Yeah. A lot easier than I thought it would be. Apart from trying to actually get the thing off, but the other side won't be as bad. I don't reckon it's going to be as rusted. But who knows? I've never actually looked at it. So.
It's not great, this wheel bearing.
Yeah, it sounds like you're unsheathing a knife.
But you can hear it inside, like
the grit.
That's like a ball in there's broken.
Probably come out and doesn't want to play nice anymore.
You know what you can use this for? You can
throwing it through someone's window that I don't like.
Some wheel hubs are better. They don't have this back bit.
Yeah.
It's just got the face, so you can like bolt it to a stud and put like a wheel on the wall.
Well, I mean, like that's just like a cover for the actual sensor. So like, I mean, I'd be able to like just mash that. But that'd be cool because like you can mount it and have like a.
Yeah. Because at work we've got a few of them. Not like my work, but
yeah.
At the workshop from dealerships.
Okay.
And they have like they were like old Maserati wheels that were cut in half.
Yeah.
So that they could go on the wall as display in the showroom.
That's cool.
Isn't she lovely?
That is a sight for sore eyes. Look at that. On she goes.
Not a very elegant mating.
We start 5:45, it is now just after 6:30.
You want to go with the left hand down?
Left hand down, yes sir. About 45 minutes for a DIY wheel bearing, it's pretty good. There you go, sir. You know the banner passport cards?
Mm.
You obviously have one.
Copy.
So I've still got mine, right? But because this has the tollway, the ETC card reader from factory.
Yeah.
So you put your toll card in there in Japan. But obviously we don't have that in fucking Australia because we've got the what are they called? C-Link.
Mm.
So that's my banner passport storage.
What do you mean? Oh, you
the card like fits perfectly into it.
That's cool.
Unreal. Excellent. Thank you, sir. Antonio Studi. If he's got a channel by the time I make this video, I'll put it in the description.
Yes. Well, it's up. It's there.
Oh, it's there? Okay, well, it will be in the description then.
It will be in the description.
Unreal. Not a lot of talking, a lot of showing, as is my way with these videos for the Mark X. So if this helps, awesome. If not, maybe in the future. Thanks for watching.